Y'all gotta watch this shit right here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, good morning, sir. Hey, I'm the Texas Highway Patrol. Now, you're stopped today because your speed was confirmed over the speed limit back there. Let's see your license and your insurance, please.
So you're saying I violated some sort of transportation code?
Yes, sir. Speeding.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's license and your insurance, please, and we can talk.
Okay. Well, I'm letting you know that I'm not here in a commercial capacity.
Okay.
I'm not carrying people for a fee, and I'm not carrying any cargo for a fee.
Okay.
I'm actually just traveling.
Right.
So those laws are actually for commercial reasons, not for personal reasons, not for...
Okay, sir,
Yeah.
I just need to see your driver's license and proof of insurance.
I ain't got no fucking driver's license, no ID, nothing, nigga. How about that?
I don't... There's not a crime that's been committed, so...
Yes, sir. The speed limit here is 65, and your
Right,
speed was confirmed over the speed limit.
Okay.
You're traveling on a public roadway.
Okay. Again, that is... make sure
Yeah, make sure that shit on, nigga. Put it in his face, too.
that is for... There you go. That is for a commercial vehicle. I'm not a commercial vehicle. Those speed limits are set for commercial vehicles.
Okay.
Okay, so let me explain the one viewer that's in here. Commercial vehicle is for people like a Uber or somebody that's driving to go to work and certain things like that. This is what they do to you when you go to a dealership. They have that car as a commercial vehicle. They always do that. So they would assume that you are going to be using your vehicle for commercial in order to get to work or to do this or to do that. But it's the difference between traveling. If you travel, you don't need no commercial, you don't need no license, you don't need no ID because that is a private vehicle. So therefore, if you have tags, if you have insurance, if you have driver's license, you are for commercial. So therefore, they can stop you. Your car cannot be for commercial either, meaning your car can't have certain license plates that you get from the DMV or all that other thing. You do need to identify yourself. So in order to identify yourself, you need like a passport. Yeah.
Am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go.
Okay.
I need to see your driver's
Am I
license.
under arrest?
Technically, this is an arrest. You're not.
Okay.
You are not being placed under arrest and going to jail.
Okay. If this
Sir,
is a custodial
sir,
arrest, this is a
listen.
custodial arrest, right? Okay. What department are you with?
Texas Department of Public Safety.
Okay.
The
What's
Texas
your name?
Highway Patrol.
What's your name?
I'm Trooper Taylor.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Trooper Taylor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I under arrest? Is this a custodial arrest?
Yes.
Okay. Can you go ahead and read me my Miranda rights, please? My Miranda warnings. You said I'm under arrest. Okay. That's the law. Is that
Yeah, read it to
now
him,
I want you to give me my Miranda warnings
For what reason?
because you said I'm under arrest.
That's right. Like I said, it's a traffic arrest. It's a traffic stop.
Okay.
Okay.
The law doesn't differentiate whether it's traffic or murder. Okay. If I'm under arrest, then you are required to give me my Miranda rights. Go ahead and give me my Miranda rights.
Okay.
Yeah, give it to him, nigga. I know that cop. I know that pig ass nigga mad as hell.
All right. It's evidence against you in court. You have the right to have a lawyer present to it before and during any questioning by peace officers or attorneys representing the state. If you are too poor to hire a lawyer, you have the right to have a lawyer appointed by the court to advise you before and during any questioning. You have the right to terminate this interview at any time. Now, I need to see your driver's license and your proof of insurance for the vehicle.
Okay. So you said I have the right to remain silent, correct?
Right. You don't have to say anything.
Right.
I need to see your driver's license and your insurance.
Anything I say can and be used against me in a court of law. Is that correct? If I
Listen.
give you my driver's license and I give you proof of insurance, you can use that against me in a court of law.
Oh, listen, I gotta go
If I
back.
give you my driver's license,
I gotta go
See your
back.
driver's license and your insurance.
anything I say can and be used against me in a court of law. Is
Right.
that correct? If I give you my driver's license and I give you proof of insurance, you can use that against me in a court of law. So why would I want to give that to you? I'm gonna
Because
go
it
ahead
is
and
required by law.
No, you just said anything I say can be used against me.
Right.
So if I give you something, it can be used against me. Okay. Why would I give you something that can be used
Because
against me?
it's
You
required
told me
by
that.
law.
No, you told me that was a right. I have the right. So I'm gonna exercise my right to remain silent. I want my attorney since I'm under arrest. Okay. And I am going to exercise the fact that I can't give you anything because you can use that against me.
I'm not trying to use anything against you.
Well, you could, but you could. Is the thing. You want to read those Miranda rights again,
Sir, to operate a vehicle on the roadway, you are required to have your driver's license, okay?
sir?
And you're required to
If
follow
I'm
this-
That's if you are commercial. If you have a private vehicle that is not under no DMV laws or none of those things, that's not driving. That's traveling.
If I'm operating under a commercial reason, okay, not if I am just traveling. I told you I am just traveling in my private conveyance. So that law does not apply to me. So now you don't have probable cause anymore.
Yes,
Am I
do
free to go?
have- No, you are not free to go.
Okay.
Sir,
I suggest you call your supervisor right here because you obviously don't understand the law. You just read me my Miranda rights.
okay.
Okay.
Listen, I need your driver's license and proof of insurance. The faster we do that, the faster we can both get out of here.
Sir. I think we're very clear on this. You read my Miranda rights. You want to read them again?
No, sir.
Okay. So I am not going to answer any questions. I'm going to remain silent.
That's fine.
I cannot give you anything Because if I give you something, that you can use that against me in a court of law.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Sir.
Do you understand that?
Understand what?
That if I give you something, you can use that against me in a court of law. Why would I give you something?
Because it's required by law.
Okay,
No, it's not.
You broke the law. You were traveling at a speed
Okay,
greater
if
than...
I'm
That's not the law. Breaking the law is killing, damaging somebody's property, hurting somebody else, something like that. Now, speeding is breaking the policies and the code.
under arrest, I'll be glad to ID.
Okay, let me see some identification.
I'll give you a verbal ID.
Oh,
Okay,
you
let's
gonna
do
give him
that.
a verbal ID? Ha!
Okay, if you say I'm under arrest, then I'll give you a verbal ID. I don't see how I could be under arrest when I haven't broken
Okay.
the law.
What's your verbal ID?
Okay, first name is Edward.
Okay. So do you have a driver's license?
Sir, I'm gonna exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay.
Just as you read my Miranda rights.
Do you have proof of financial responsibility for the vehicle?
I'm going to exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All right, well, let's see what we got.
Hey, watch this nigga get away scot-free. Watch this shit.
All right, sir.
Am I free to go?
No.
Okay.
All right, so do you have any suspensions, any warrants on your license right now?
Sir, I'm gonna exercise my right not to answer any questions.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, here's the deal. Back there at FM 523, your speed was confirmed at 92 miles per hour, okay? Speed limit here is 65. So you are going to receive a citation for your speed today, okay? Do you have insurance for the truck?
Sir, again.
Okay, I'll check it on my side.
you're
Just hang on
conti-
one second.
You ain't saying shit. All right, let's see what he do.
All right, sir. You just sign here on the X and sign in here.
Watch, he gonna tell him to sign. He ain't gonna sign shit.
Not a plea of guilt. It's a promise to make contact with the court. You're going to make contact with Judge Davis here in Angleton on or before February 6th. All right?
Can I see that?
Yes, sir.
Watch this.
Sir, I disagree with this.
Okay. You're not going to sign it?
I like my attorney now since I'm under arrest.
Okay. So are you going to sign this or no?
I
No,
would like
nigga.
my attorney, sir.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, this has all your information on it and what you need to do to be able to contact Judge Davis, okay? There's a phone number and an address on there, okay? All right, sir. Well, just be safe driving, okay? And slow it down a little bit.
Now saying that, he did not sign that ticket. Now, if he would have signed a ticket, he basically complied with them saying that I will go and I have no choice but to go through the court because he signed a ticket. But if you don't sign it, basically, in other words, you're saying I don't have to go. If you sign that ticket, then you have to go. If you don't sign it, you could literally send that ticket right back, matter of fact, straight to the courts. But as soon as you sign that ticket, now you are basically under their jurisdiction. It's perfect. Look at it. That shit's perfect right there. I like that. I like this shit right here. He got away scot-free. And they gonna let him drive away too. And he ain't got no license, he ain't got no registration, no tags, nothing.